In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the Skip the Dishes app. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Skip the Dishes is available for Android and iOS devices. It is going to allow you to order food regardless of your location as long as Skip the Dishes is active in your area. So all that you have to do to use Skip the Dishes is to download the app from the Play Store or the App Store like I mentioned, and inside of the app, you have to do a basic sign-in process. You can either optionally create an account or simply include your address, and the app is going to tell you if they are able to make deliveries in your area. Right after you include any valid street address, you will be able to browse through all of the categories. So you can select specific categories, for example, burgers, Chinese food, Korean food, or browse through different restaurants near you. You can sort them, browse through offers, grocery, convenience, etc. There are plenty of options to choose from, and all that you have to do, like I said, is to set up an account and include your street address. After you include your street address with the delivery instructions, which are optional, browse through the items, add them all to your cart, and you will be able to order as necessary. You will acquire Skip reward points that you can use on your future orders to get extra rewards and usually some discounts. And like I said, it is super simple. As long as you set up a street address, add everything to your cart, they have plenty of payment methods available. For example, Discover cards, Dinners cards, BC, etc. Simply choose whatever you want to order, and if the store is open, you are going to be able to talk to them, order everything, and get it done through the mobile app. Update the app as necessary through the Play Store or the App Store, and you will be able to use it as you wish. I hope I was able to help you on how to use the Skip the Dishes app. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.